What up, YouTube? It's Mr. Tyler BMX here, or Tyler. You can just call me whatever. I do buy checks a lot because I get a lot of new parts here pretty quick. We'll start off in the front. We always do. Ow. We got S&M RV bars, 8-inch rise, 27 width. ODI long neck grips in teal. ODI bar ends. Premium stem. I don't know the actual name of it, but Sunday pressure cap, hollow pinch bolts, kink headset with 2 spacers, a new part, kink whip frame in black. I drew on there, but it came off. Sunday morning 2.1 forks in watermelon green. Fit FAF teal wall tire in 20 times 2.25. The newest, actually, I just bought these last week. An Odyssey Vandero hub or Vandero rim. See that right there? Where's Vandero? I don't know, but it's there. Stock peg, Odyssey twisted PCs in teal, Mission React cranks, 2-piece, Sputnik sprocket in chrome red, Shadow Interlock V2 chain in white with a couple silver links in there, stock seat post clamp, volume seat post, Shadow Conspiracy slim seat or whatever, stolen bottom bracket. Also I bought this with the new Odyssey wheel. It's a G Sport roll cage rim, Odyssey spokes, and an Eastern bidirectional hub. I have currently switched to left-hand drive. Yeah, it's nice. I like it better than right-hand drive. That way I don't fuck up my sprocket when I grind. Stock peg, and I got a Primo drive side hub guard because I used to be what's it called, right-hand drive. So yeah. Overall, my bike is 23 to 24 pounds now. Rides really well. It's really strong. Yeah. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Later.